guys, I'm going to show you how to clean my makeup brushes. Have it on some warm water. Take a little bit of soup. This is just palm olive. Dish soap, nothing fancy. Work it around. You want to keep your brushes vertical so the water doesn't release the glue that's in here. Because I don't want to have to buy new brushes, so I like to take good care of mine. I try to wash my makeup brushes probably once every week if I've been using them during the week. Because if I don't, my skin will break out, and this is a good way to keep your skin acne free, is to wash your brushes really well. So I use the antibacterial dish soap. This whole package was like $1, super cheap. You can also wash your dishes with it, so you don't have to have an extra thing in your house. And now, make sure there's no more soap in there. Wring it out really well. Take it out, let the bristles fall back as they may, like they're supposed to. And then I'm going to take this and lay it on the edge of a towel I have on the counter, just like so. I'm going to let that sit overnight. And do the same thing with my other brushes. Don't let the glue get on, or don't let the water get on this. This is where the glue is. You don't want this whole top coming off. This is a math brush. It's like $35. So I like my math brush. This thing is a lifesaver. Use it for contouring. And it does a really good job. To shape it back to its face like so. So take that and put it back near that one. So this brush is super dirty because I did purple eyeshadow with it. And I'm gonna wash it. You can't always get it back to brand new shape, but you can get it pretty darn close. It's still really pink. This brush might be like this forever. A purple eyeshadow does not want to come out. Damn, honey. It's kind of funny. But maybe dry it. Does it look like it's coming out? I can tell. makeup brush is so expensive. And then if you like buy a cheap one, the freaking head of it falls off. And then it's like this brush without a handle. What's the most expensive makeup brush you guys have? Or what's the best one? Where did you get it? Why did you get it? What do you use it for? How do you use it? My most expensive brush is not that expensive. It's the MAC one I just showed you guys. And I love it. And I used to, you know what? I really like makeup brushes too. And I just got my first fan brush. I'm so excited. I think I should wash it because it kind of smells like daffodils. So I'm sure I don't understand. Alright, I got my last brush, my Bdellium Tools big fluffy brush, 787. Same deal. Thank you for watching. Means a lot. Hope you guys do this, and hopefully it will help keep your skin really nice and acne free. Definitely, you know, I didn't know this when I was younger. Like, wash your beauty blenders and, you know, wash your sponges, wash your brushes like weekly. And don't let them sit on the floor or like get gross in your purse. Like, keep them clean for sure, because those are touching your face and you don't want acne because you don't want scarring. And then you don't want to have to pay to get like a million facials or like, you know, like a bunch of laser resurfacing. No, just keep your brushes clean. Don't sleep with makeup on. And that's like half the battle. So thanks for watching. Let me know what you guys learned or something I could do better for this next video. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. I don't know what I'm talking about yet. If you guys have any suggestions, let me know what you guys want me to teach you how to do. I really appreciate the suggestions and I take them seriously, and they're important to me, so thank you.